This is my fourth article, Middleborn's Perceptions of Family Relationships by Gregory Kennedy. In this article, the author Gregory Kennedy will be looking at the family relationships and the way that the Middleborns look at it. Kennedy discusses how the variation of birth order affects parental behaviors and favoritism between all the different birth order child relationships. Kennedy also states that parents tend to have higher expectations for their firstborn child and tend to be less strict and more relaxed with their lastborn child. This leaves this leaves a weird gap for the middleborn child because it allows them to be free and do whatever they want. I believe that the lastborn child, it is viewed as the baby of the family, and the firstborn child is the one that's supposed to be the successor and the go-getter, and that's why they work hard on those kids and leave the middleborn to be stuck there. Ornstein actually refers to the middleborn as a human sandwich, and it illustrates a lack of uniqueness that a middleborn child has. The methodology. 657 college students under the age of 23 of both sexes answered questions about family relationships, showed significant differences between 185 middleborn children and 472 children in birth order positions. The 657 students were enrolled in all sections of a family living course. Approximately 80% of the school takes this course, which is a wide variety of the school, so it doesn't base the questions off of a short little percentage of the school that decides to take this course. 40% of the students that took this course were male and 53% were female, which is roughly symmetric in the amount of students who take it. The birth order distribution is of the students that take it is only child 7%, firstborn 31%, middleborn 28%, and lastborn 34%. The results. Throughout the experiment, many results were found, such as middleborns feel less of parental support than other children, like the early firstborn and laterborn children. More middleborns receive no parental assistance with college expenses. They're less likely to call home more frequently than the first or lastborn child. Actually, the middleborn was more likely to call home only during an emergency and nothing else. And they're more likely to refer to a sibling or a friend when they need of an emergency or assistance. Also, fathers seem to be less emotionally attached to not only middleborns but all of the kids in the birth order successory than while the mothers are more emotionally attached to them.